What's up, trading community, traders? Happy Monday. Hope you're off to a great start of the week as we are in a playbook trading room. If you like this, give it a like, hit a subscribe, and come join the community so you can have a chance to elevate your trading or just enjoy a great group discussion. We are absolutely having a phenomenal month and a great start to the week. Today, bring it to you, PANW is the trade that we took in the market, and I'll just take you through exactly how I present it to the traders. Here's a PANW. It's a tier 3 gap. Honestly, I mean, you could have rated a tier 2, be okay with that, but the reason it's tier 3 because it's coming after a green bar. This should have been a breakdown bar, but it's not. It's a green bar. It's gapping over the green bar. Now it's gapping right into, you can call it some sort of resistance here. And the weekly chart is more profound that you can see some resistance. Now what was good about it is the hourly chart that got my attention on this one. And there is that trading void that I often talk about. And I upgraded the entry to a tier 2 entry. And entry was pretty simple on this one. As you can see here, the alert went out at 6:34 at 240, and then we added over 241. So this is a pretty much it's a pretty much an opening range breakout here on the 2 minutes chart. Basically, the opening range is the high and the low that makes the opening range, and you buy over here. And that's exactly what we did on PANW, and then we were able to add it into PANW right into this area and wrote it into our target. Now, you know, I personally thought that it'll have a little bit more room in PANW, but I thought it would go to 250. The ad was definitely intended for that, but it stalled out, and eventually we're taking target. Now, if you know how to draw lines, I mean, these trend lines often do help you understand, you know, where you have horizontal resistance or support, and that here's your trend line support and resistance. In this case, is you got 1, 2, 3 touches right into trend line, and that's where it stops. So hope you get some out of it. You know how to enter this trade, how tier 3 gaps work. It requires a little bit more patience, but nonetheless, it was a good trade for us. About $1,000 in about 5 minutes. So altogether, it was a really good day for us in the playbook trading room. And I can show you some of the all the trades, not some of the trades, but all the trades that we took in the trading room. And there's all this full transparency in the trading room. I sent out this to the team, every night. So here's what we did. We had, let's see, on this one, let me pull this up right up here. So this one you have, we had 1, 2, 3, 2 Tesla 2 trades, PANW 2 trades, and a loss in APLS. You know, total of a nice day if you're just doing about a $300 risk. So if you're interested, come join us. Hope you like this little video. Talk about how to enter the trade, how to time your trade, where do you put stop, where do you add, and how ultimately become profitable. So have a great day, have a great week, and stay disciplined.